Welcome to TechZoo. Today we are going over a Leetcode question called number of days in a month given a year, and months return how many days there are in that month. So the question is really simple. The only thing we have to consider is the concept of leap year. Like in each month, the number of days is pretty much set, except in February. So in leap year, there are like 29 days, whereas in a normal year, there is like 28 days. So for this question, we basically have to figure out whether the year is a leap year or not. So first of all, we can create a dictionary of the days in a month. So you can see that in January, February, March, April, there are so many number of days in a month, and that's a normal year. And we also can create a dictionary for the leap year. So let's call it DL for leap. And in February, it's 29 days. Okay, so what is a leap year? A leap year is a year that 4 can divide that year with no remainder. But for centennial years, such as such as 1900, this number can be divided by 4. However, it's still not a leap year because for a year that can be divided by 100, it has also to be divided by 400. So that's our logic. First of all, let's see whether the year can be divided by 100. And it can. If it can be divided by 100, let's test if it can divide it by 400. If it still can, it's a leap year. Otherwise, it's not a leap year. Okay, let's write the logic here. So if a year mod 100 is equal to 0, then we also have to check if y mod 400 is equal to 0. So if it is, return, so it's a leap year. So we return DLM. Otherwise, so it can be divided by 100, but cannot be divided by 400. It's a normal year, so we return DM. Okay. So after handling those, those years can be divided by 100, those left are just the years that cannot be divided by 100. So we just have to check if y can be divided by 2. If it is that, then it's a leap year.